Now we need to learn about how to read the dictionary values using keys. Because as you know, dictionary things you cannot read using indexes. In case of tuple, in case of list, in case of string, we got chance to read items by taking help of the indexes. But in case of dictionary, we cannot read using indexes. We need to go for the keys only, we need to go for it. For that purpose, let us learn here how to do that one. Okay. First, we are trying to go for here insert one extra item. If you want to insert it, you can insert it. It has the intelligence internally. If the China is available already, it is going to update that one. If it is not available, it will insert that one. That's how it is going to behave. Suppose in this case, what is happening here? China is inserted, right? Because above we have only these three things are available. China is not there, so it is inserting. In this case, if you see India already available with 133.92. But if I write here 140, what is happening? It is updating that one. That means if key is available, it updates the existing one. If key is not available, it inserts that pair. Now, if you want to delete it, simply we can delete like this, you can delete it. Let us try to understand these things practically doing it. Okay. Now, first I have here A. Let us go and try to see A, what we have the data. This is whatever I have the data inside the A. Now, inside this one, do I have a key that is called as Kenya? Kenya is not available. So I am trying to say as A, then I am writing the key as Kenya. It is one of the African country. Now we are going for Kenya is equal to, I think it is very small population. Let me give 0.2 something. Okay, it may not be accurate value. Now if you go and try to see A, the A is equal to something like this. Kenya is what happened here? Inserting. As this key is not available, it inserts. Okay. Now if you go and try to observe, let us say A, I am writing here India key is available. Then I am writing here 140, I am writing it. There is nothing but 1.4 I am writing. As this key is available, what will happen? Updates. Let us go and try to observe. A means we are able to see the India is updated here as 1.4. Earlier it was 1.3 only, we have it. Now it is updated to 1.4, it is updated. Now, if I want to delete something, suppose this one I want to delete it. Let us go and try to delete it. So delete particular thing, for example, A, then we are trying to say as China, I want to delete it. Now you can notice inside the A, there is no China. If you want to delete, you can do it. So we know now how to insert it. We know now how to update it. We know now how to delete it. If you want to know any dictionary corresponding keys, whatever available, you can go and you can know A dot keys. It is a inbuilt method. Keys is what? Inbuilt method. It is going to show you what are the keys are available. It is going to show it. If I want to see only the values, if you want to see it, you can write here A dot values, you can write it. If you write here A dot values, it is going to show you the values whatever available, like 1.4, 0.32, 0.2 are the values. So this is how we can read the particular value, we can read it using the keys. And we also can do insert, we can also do update, we can also do delete. Can you please help me out? As you know already A is available like this. If I want to get USA population, can you please tell me how to read that one? A, then followed by what is the key? USA is the key. Now I am able to see 0.32, I am able to see it. Can you do a slice method? That means USA to Kenya, something like that. USA to Kenya, something like that. No, we cannot do that one because it has no slice on the keys. Okay, whatever you want, you have to provide it. Otherwise, you have to go for the looping. You have to go for it. I'll explain what you mean by loops down the line. Okay, this is how we are going to read the things from the dictionary. Please make hands on.